In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put images on your Steam profile. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer. At the top right corner, click your username and choose View My Profile. This takes you to your public profile page, where your content and showcases live, and it's the hub for anything you want others to see. On your profile page, look for the Artwork section. If you're on the main profile view, you'll see content tabs like Screenshots and Artwork. Click Artwork, then select Upload Artwork. When prompted for the type, choose Not Game Specific. This tells Steam your image isn't tied to a particular game, so it will appear as general profile artwork instead of being grouped under a specific title. Now fill out the upload form. Give your piece a clear, descriptive title so visitors know what they're looking at. Click to upload your image file and stick to common formats like JPG or PNG. Keep the file within Steam's size limits. If the upload fails or stalls, it usually means the file is too large or the format isn't supported, so try exporting a smaller version or converting it to a standard format. You can add a short description to provide context, credit collaborators, or share the story behind the image. While optional, a good description helps your profile feel more personal and polished. Next, set the visibility. Choose Public if you want anyone to be able to see it on your profile and find it through Steam's community sections. Friends only keeps it within your friend list. Private is useful if you're testing how the image looks on your profile or if you're not ready to share it yet. Take a moment here to think about privacy. Avoid including personal or sensitive details in the title or description. Before publishing, check the certification box. This confirms you own the rights to the image or have permission to use it, and that it follows Steam's community guidelines. It's an important step to protect your account and keep the community safe. When everything looks good, click Publish. Steam will process the upload and add it to your artwork section. Depending on your connection and file size, it may take a moment. After it appears, you can come back anytime to update the title, tweak the description, or change the visibility setting if your needs change. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.